So, children, let's see once again what is actually absolute zero. The temperature minus 273 degrees centigrade is known as absolute zero. In the last video, I had explained you that this is the temperature at which the volume is considered to become zero according to Charles law. Now, before going to another statement of Charles law, let us see one more scale which is known as absolute scale or Kelvin scale. Absolute scale of temperature, which we also call as Kelvin scale. You must have heard about Celsius, Fahrenheit scales of temperature. Now we are going to see another scale that is known as Kelvin scale. Now what is Kelvin scale? Kelvin scale is that scale which has its zero at minus 273 degrees Celsius. Means in Celsius scale, what is the temperature minus 273 degrees centigrade will be equal to 0 Kelvin at Kelvin scale. Again, I am repeating, the absolute scale or Kelvin scale is that scale of temperature which has its zero at minus 273 degrees centigrade in Celsius scale. Now, let us see it diagrammatically. Suppose we have a Celsius scale thermometer and a Kelvin scale thermometer. So, let us have a comparison of it. This is Celsius scale I am going to show on this thermometer, and here I am going to show you Kelvin scale. What happens in Celsius scale? The lowest temperature is 0 degrees centigrade, and at Kelvin scale that is equal to 273 Kelvin. This is known as ice point. Kelvin is represented by K and Celsius by degree centigrade. Now, so 0 degree centigrade, which is on Celsius scale, the lowest point, the 0 degree centigrade of Celsius scale, which is called the ice point, at Kelvin scale it will be equal to 273 Kelvin. The uppermost point, which is known as a steam point, that will be, that is you very well know, 100 degrees centigrade on Celsius scale, and at Kelvin scale it will be equal to 373 Kelvin. And on Kelvin scale there are like Celsius scale from 0 to 100 there are 100 divisions. Similarly, on Kelvin scale also has 273 to 373. There will be 100 divisions, and each division on Celsius scale will be equal to 1 division on Kelvin scale. Same size of each division on Celsius scale will be equal to Kelvin scale. There are 100 divisions here also and 100 divisions on Kelvin scale also. Now, suppose you are given certain temperature. Now this diagram you are very well able to see that whatever is 0 degree centigrade at Celsius scale, it will be equal to 273 Kelvin at Kelvin scale. That means 0 degree centigrade is equal to 273 Kelvin. If I say, let us have a temperature 20 degrees centigrade and I wanted to convert it into Kelvin scale, what are you going to do? You will be simply doing a thing is 20 degrees centigrade, you add 273. So 20 degrees centigrade, if you want to convert it into Kelvin scale, simply add 273, you will get 293, and that will be the temperature on Kelvin scale. So 20 degrees centigrade on Celsius scale is equal to 293 Kelvin on Kelvin scale. Now suppose I am taking another temperature, that is, let us take it. Suppose we have 27 degrees centigrade on Celsius scale and I want to convert it into Kelvin scale. What am I going to do? I'll be simply adding 27 plus 273 and it will be coming as 300 Kelvin. One more thing, suppose we have a temperature minus 273 degrees Celsius. Minus 273, you want it to convert it into Kelvin. So what will you do? Minus 273 plus 273, that will be becoming 0 Kelvin. So minus 273 degrees centigrade is going to be 0 Kelvin on Kelvin scale. In Kelvin scale, you do not put degrees. It's simply written as K only. Is that clear? Fine. So absolute scale of temperature, the temperature in Kelvin, we call it as absolute temperature, and absolute temperature is always mentioned with a capital T. Absolute temperature, capital T shows absolute temperature.